Yes, girl. I can take you to my car. I did not take anything at all.
That's fine. We're gonna go to your car.
Okay, come on.
Let me just check that out of the pocket.
Go ahead, sir. I did not take any glasses. I promise you.
You did. You're on video taking.
Yeah,
I
but
can see
I
the
put
video.
the glasses back, sir.
Doesn't matter. You're on video taking them. Where's the? Open this bag.
There's nothing inside this bag at all. It's my stuff. Check.
No, sir. We're gonna go out to the car.
Okay.
Let's see. Where are you parked over at?
I'm taking you. I don't really know the area. So.
All right, go out this way then. We're going out this way because I have another officer coming. Well, we can walk around. Here, go out this way. Can you ask him if he'll sign a sworn statement for the sunglasses since we don't have them and see if he'll press charges?
You're gonna have to walk this way.
Okay. What kind of car is it?
It's an Ultimate.
Can they meet you over here?
She's inside the mall. The car is open. I just said we could have walked that way.
You have ID on you, or you said it's in the car?
Yeah.
Where's the vehicle? In the parking garage?
I made you search all of my stuff. I don't have any glasses. Where you at? Oh, no, this means my tattoo glasses. I don't take no fucking glasses. So if y'all don't find no glasses, I can leave, right? Because I don't have any glasses.
No.
Alpha 1, Charlie 60.
So I don't have any glasses.
You're on video putting the glasses in your jacket.
Glasses back,
They're not in the store.
yes, they are in the store. I put the glasses back.
So if they want to press charges, then they can press charges.
After you press charges, then I
After the glasses.
So that's the thing about it.
You're on video taking the glasses and walking out of the store with them.
I did not walk out the store with the
Coastland Center Mall, Naples, Florida. Suspect, Jevon Shea Davis. Charge, stealing sunglasses from Sunglass Hut. The stop is lawful. Florida Statute 812.015, subsection 8, authorizes merchant detention on probable cause. An eyewitness and surveillance footage clear that bar. Davis claims she returned the glasses. Irrelevant under Florida law. Theft is complete at concealment with intent. Return does not undo the offense.
Did you come out of it?
Going north on Gulf Shore.
Where's your vehicle?
She moved the car.
Okay, come over here. Put your bags up there. You hang up the phone right now.
I'm gonna call you back.
Turn around.
Yeah, you can respond as well.
Put your phone up on that car.
Can I at least let you search the car and she's gonna come back around with the car?
Come back around.
I don't have it.
Give me a second.
30 Duncan, Quebec. 30 Spot you.
Give me a second.
No, I'm saying, can I make a call to my grandma and let her know what's going on at least so she can get my
Vehicle and go to the theater and find
Yeah, but I want to.
I want to come out with you. I'm not going to do anything but come out with you at all.
Just turn your hand inward. There you go.
At least let me make a phone call to my grandmother.
Okay,
Please?
you can wait. You have anything on us that's going to
No,
stick us or
not
anything
at
like
all.
that? Okay.
Can I at least make a phone call, sir?
Okay, no,
I just want to let my grandmother know. Please.
I know what that is, so.
Yeah, I know what that is.
So you will be arrested for that alone.
Do you have anything with you?
No. Can I at least make a phone call, sir?
Yeah, why don't you make a phone call to whoever has the vehicle to come over here to get your ID? I'll just put it in.
Can I give you my name?
Yeah.
You guys can slow down. Good.
Can I at least make a call? So that my grandma can get my kids here?
You want her programmer?
At least so she can get my kids, please.
Can you look
Your keys?
My kids. They're at a friend house, please.
What's your first name?
Javon.
Javon.
Shaye.
Shaye.
Davis.
He stopped me from Sunglass Hut. She took 2 pairs on video, put them in her pockets, walked directly out of the store, says she doesn't have them. So she probably met with someone passing by and handed them off. That's why one of the other girls
That's
come in
about
that vehicle.
1390, Bravo.
And we want to see what vehicle they're driving because she fits the same description that's been stealing Coach purses in the mall. But she also had the burglary device on her. So no matter what, I'll charge her with this.
Is that the people from the two girls with the Texas twin?
Yeah, I don't know if that's part of it or not.
Because
I was trying to get.
We took a report.
You said it was a what, Ford Edge or something, or a Ford
It was a Volkswagen SUV. Four door. That's the three that I had last week. Run out of Macy, and that's the pictures.
It looks the same.
Looks like the same, right? We have
But
a name
she's
on
saying
her?
she had a Altima. Yeah, the problem is she doesn't have ID, and I want her ID because she could be given anyone's
Yeah.
name.
Do you think he'll let me make a call?
No, we don't.
Really?
That's not a thing, no. When you get to jail, if that's whatever decision they may take, that's when you make a phone call in there.
I'm talking about now so that I can have my grandmother pick up my kids, please.
I'm not. What I'm trying to tell you is I'm not the officer. It's him. He already
Okay.
told you to wait. So just you have to wait for him, okay?
Okay.
We're waiting to see if they want to press charges. Just,
Okay.
maybe they don't. They don't. You know how they are. So if they don't, there's nothing to do. So I'm just doing this just in case.
Yeah, I did it over with.
You heard the one in Sector 1?
Yeah,
That was wild.
I know. I didn't know which way to go. I was like, if he's left on Gulf Shore, should I go to that or?
I had the other guys come here. They were gonna take it from me, but then the other one came out, and the guy hit him.
Yeah.
The son with bills. And
So let me see.
They've been doing this for weeks. now.
I know. You know, Pink usually presses charges.
I'm telling you, if you're not gonna press charges, don't call us. I'm not gonna waste that time.
My ID? 305. You put me in as deputy?
Did I?
No. We're not the county. No, I'm just kidding.
Oh no.
Yeah, I know.
Herschel 5L4.
Look what the brought in. Hey, for you. What's going on?
You're so nice, So
Yeah.
and I was heading this way, and then they had that other thing, so I couldn't ask you questions.
No, that's fine.
So
Hold on a second. Can you guys send someone to Pink for me?
Pink.
Or Louis, or what is it?
Yeah.
Victoria's Secret, I guess. And see, she
She had no receipts. Oh, she still selling.
yeah, she tried to pop it off. So, can you see if she will?
Is she paid for it?
Well, no, she has no receipt of it.
Oh, okay.
So let me photograph those real quick first, and then if you can see if they want to press charges. If they do, just let us know. We'll send an officer in there to do a sworn statement. But I don't know if this is the only thing. She could have taken a lot more stuff, but yeah, I know. Well, that's what I'm thinking. As soon as they left Sunglass Hut, they probably did a side swipe, so she's not called with the product. And he got me immediately. I was having to be right there.
Critical finding: a magnetic EAS detacher on Davis's person. Florida Statute 810.06 possession of a burglary tool is a standalone felony. No completed theft required. The officer called it correctly on camera. Handcuffing is permissible under Graham versus Connor, 1989. However, Davis reported prior wrist surgery. No on-camera documentation followed. That omission creates civil exposure under Title 42, United States Code Section 1983. No Miranda advisement observed post-handcuffing. Under Berkemer versus McCarty, 1984, custody triggers Miranda not booking. Continued questioning at that point risks statement suppression at trial.
I didn't know which way to go. I was like, We don't know yet for your first charges.
Well, I have her anyway for burglary device.
From Sunglass.
Oh, okay.
So she had this on her anyway. So I'll get her for that.
It's a like anti-shoplifting device.
Yeah, just to pop the magnets off.
You had that on?
Yeah, that was in her pocket. She said she didn't know what it was. Then out here, she said she did know what it was.
Well, can you readvise?
Yep. This is from Nike, but you guys, what is it?
It's negative. It didn't.
Yeah. But there's no price tag on it, so she ripped the price tag off of them. I'm assuming you get out of. That's what I think it is.
Anti-shoplifting device is
What all it does
like
is
a catch-all.
it is a heavy magnet just to pop it off.
Just say that.
To have that.
November 7th.
Anti-shoplifting, you know.
Did you send someone already?
No, I mean,
Oh yeah.
Number is going to be
What's that?
207.
all right, coming back.
Thank you, sir. What's that?
Do you need a proper receipt? Sorry.
Yeah, because I have hard evidence.
Do you got any proper receipts available? If not, I got to get in there.
I mean, I could do that. I could do that at the station. I could do it at the station.
You're gonna take it? You guys supposed to?
I don't know. Shitfish always calls me, and I have to take it when I'm on the road. But no, but
Yeah, it's usually because
I'm here. But
you've been here all day.
yeah, they made me come in early.
See, you were in about getting out of 5.
No, I messed up and came in wrong time. I wish to press charges.
On behalf of what's on it there,
You don't even have to do that. Just I wish to press charges.
it's just being trespassed.
Yeah, she'll be trespassed from the mall.
31.
Definitely.
Thank you.
Yep. What I'm going to do is just sign this real quick, and then if you want a photo of this for yourself real fast,
Yeah, I can do that.
this way you have the case number and stuff on it.
Did you reach out to the original Collier Central Tunnel?
And my information will then be on it. So yeah, it's going to be theft, burglary, device. Yeah, two counts of that.
So theft. Charges for theft. Because at the end of
Yeah, it's retail theft, and burglary device. Can you roll the window down real quick? Is that your friend that has the car?
No, that's my cousin.
Okay.
Can I please call my grandmother? I just want to let her know to get my kids, please.
Yeah, you gotta wait.
Could you loosen the cuffs for me?
No, they have one finger in between. They don't get any looser than that.
Do you take any medications or anything?
No. Ma'am, I really need the cuffs loosened, please.
I'll let him know. He already told you. If there's a finger in the middle, there's not much we can do.
But if you look at it, if you look at my wrist, it's a long big cut on my wrist.
Do you take any drugs?
No, I don't.
Have you made any suicidal statements?
No.
Do you have any hallucinations?
Huh?
Do you have any hallucinations?
No. Sir, could you please loosen the cuffs? If you look at my wrist, you will see
You
them.
tell me when it comes.
Please, could you please loosen the cuffs for me?
No, policy's one finger in between, and that's.
But if you look at my wrist, you could tell that it's a bit. I had surgery on my wrist. It's a really big long cut on my wrist.
Yeah,
It goes from my wrist to my hand.
It's also on with the proper spacing in between.
But I can't even move my wrist at all. It's
You're
sitting
meant
right
not to
onto
move
my
your wrist.
bones.
No, they're handcuffs.
Too many drugs or weapons on you, ma'am?
78.
Final charges: felony grand theft under Florida Statute 812.014 and possession of burglary tools under 810.06. Both third-degree felonies. Over $2,000 recovered. Charges hold. The officer receives a B. Justified stop, correct charge identification, professional demeanor, deductions. No Miranda post-cuffing, no documentation of the injury complaint. Davis receives a C+. No physical resistance credited. But a professional burglary tool signals premeditation. Her own admission contradicted her denial admissible. The store representative receives a B+. Eyewitness, surveillance, sworn statement all present. Minor deduction. Unclear whether Davis had fully cleared the point of sale before merchant detention began. A required element of shopkeeper's privilege. 3 takeaways. 1 document restraint complaints on camera. One sentence on Bodycam eliminates a 1983 civil rights exposure. 2. Miranda attaches at custody, not booking. Cuffs on means advisement required before any further questioning. 3. The burglary tool is the crime. Possession of an EAS detacher in a retail context is a felony. No theft needed. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like analyzed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.